Hi there, it's Joe the Chiro. Today I'm going to be adjusting three-time world champion Muay Thai fighter Charlie Peters, still UK #1. Got a right shoulder injury from cycling accident, and we're going to assess and see what needs to be done.
So how long have you been going for? So I've had the injury for around 7 months now, but the problem is that I'm not really letting it heal and rest. I mean, I use it quite a lot with my work. I perform a lot of exercising daily for one of my jobs. So it's been very difficult to just rest and rehabilitate it basically.
What can you do? What can't you do?
So I can move it up.
Usually frontally it starts to get stiff. I warmed it up a little bit, but this one's no pain, but this hurts and I can feel
Well,
it.
go palm up, by the way. So go palm up and lift all down.
It's fine.
That's fine. But going that way.
Yeah. Palm down. Like it's warming up now.
Good.
Obviously I've done
Take a
it.
seat, face that way. We're just going to do a load of tests, okay? Hold it here, make a fist. I push down, you push up. How's that?
Yeah, it hurts.
We go here. I'm going to push this way, stop me. 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, it hurts too much.
Straight away, yeah?
Yeah.
Lay left side down. It may not be pleasant, I apologise. That side will work, I'm loving it. This is a subscapularis release. Fancy word, it's just Latin. Sub means under, scapularis where the scapula is. And it's a really key muscle with regards to both shoulder mobility and stability. And we just did that muscle test and it was a big pain generator, so we're going to release this off. Charlie isn't going to find me very pleasant.
I hate this one.
But as long as it gets below curve. I'm going to bring this down, stop me. 3, 2, 1.
That's a little bit more so up here.
Okay. Now what I'm going to do is go from here, drop that arm. So this can be a pivot point, right? We're just going to go there and there. Okay?
You want me to move?
That's what I want you to do, yes please.
Okay.
So you just do that. Go all the way down. Bring this hand onto the shoulder, please.
This always hurts, especially when I'm in the shower.
Doing that.
Yeah, like trying to wash myself. When I bring it across the body, it always hurts.
What are these like in here?
Feel sore towards the top and around this area that you're at.
Okay, and just relax. If you bring the arm forwards, turn it in. Deep breath in here. And out. Let's go ahead. Take a fist. Stop your pull down. Straight away, yeah? Yeah?
Okay.
Make it a bit. I'm going to pull down, stop me. Better. Sit up. Sit up for me. Put this arm here, like that. You need to bring the arm towards the ceiling. Through the top. Down back. And again. In and out. And again. And out. And back. And again. And back. Back down.
That's easier.
Does it feel easier?
Yeah. Yeah, it feels fine.
Yeah. Palms up.
Yeah.
Over here and there. catching?
I've done I've done this exercise this morning. It was hurting.
Okay. And then take a seat again. Bring the arm back as far as you can.
That way?
Yeah. What's that like?
Yeah, I mean, I can feel it pulling slightly.
Okay. Now what you do? Arm here. Yeah. Should we come here and bring the arm back? Just move the arm around for a second. And then bring it back towards me again.
Oh yeah, it's loads different.
Then just put your elbow there, drop the hand down. This is going to be nice and okay.
Well, and everything else has been.
Nearly Christmas, mate. Couple more deep breaths in. This is a bicep tendon if it helps.
So that's working that right there.
So it's the tendon that inserts onto it here. So you've got two. Obviously you've got origin where it starts, then it goes into the elbow here. But